Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, at long last, the monsoon rains break out across North Queensland. Meanwhile, the rest of the state prepares for another hot weekend. Now, folks, if you live in Townsville and thought you wouldn't see heavy rain in your lifetime, you'd be shocked. Overnight, we got 38 mils and a lot more today. We'll see tomorrow how much exactly. A few areas even got over that mark. And now on radar, it still looks like more is coming down. Temperatures today across the Herbert, Burdekin, Townsville, a range of 24 to 29 degrees. Probably the first time we've been below 30 in 100 years. Air had 26 and Charterstown's only 28. Let's look at the satellite loop now. You can see the intense falls that were affecting the Whitsunday coast yesterday has now moved up, as expected, to the Townsville area, which has had a heap of rain today, and right up the Cassowary coast towards Cairns. There's a severe thunderstorm warning current for the heavy falls and flash flooding there. You can see the circulation forming in the Gulf of Carpentaria as well. Good chance of a cyclone forming there over the weekend. Some interior thunderstorms as well. Now let's have a look at today's chart. There's the monsoon trough crossing over somewhere just north of Townsville. That's the active area. Lots of rain today, which is really, really good to see. It's a month too late, I suppose. That connects with that low in the Gulf of Carpentaria. Meanwhile, in the southeast, we've still got a breaking ridge. Now, on tomorrow's chart, the inland trough moves a bit closer. A warmer northerly wind starts to affect southern parts, but more showers and storms in the tropics. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau. Boating forecast for Townsville waters. Easterly winds tomorrow up to 15 knots only, then becoming light and variable for the weekend. Tomorrow's low tide, it'll fall before 9:30 in the morning and the high coming in about 1:45. Herbert and Lower Burdekin, more showers again tomorrow with possible thunderstorms. Townsville, a range of 26 to 32 degrees, Air 32 as well. Ingham 24 to 32, and the Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, showers and possible storms as well. Charterstown's reaching 35 degrees, Georgetown a range of 24 to 32. Looking ahead now for Townsville, drier on the weekend, but let's keep our fingers crossed for more showers next week. It'll stay pretty warm, but at least it's a bit closer to average. This week's question from Zoe Barrowcliffe. At what altitude does the lower atmosphere become the upper atmosphere? Well, actually, there are 4 distinct atmospheric layers, but it's only the lowest of these, called the troposphere, that contains our everyday weather. The roof of the troposphere is around 15 kilometres high, just above jet plane cruising level, where those great big thunderheads spread out into flat sheets of ice. Further down, we find our rain clouds, thick grey blankets that usually sit around 3 to 8 kilometres high. This is the middle atmosphere. Once you get below about 3 kilometres, you're talking lower atmosphere, the land of lumpy, flat-bottom clouds and fast-moving showers. And that's it from me, folks. Now it's over to Scott Hillier with the fishing report.
Yeah, good on you, Livio. Pretty good conditions forecast for the weekend. Looks like the boaties are going to get a chance to sneak out to those inshore hotspots once again. The pelagic action has been red hot. I reckon worth chasing again this weekend. Here's a few tips. Now, there's been plenty of undersized barramundi around at the moment, so if you are out chasing a few, take a good measuring stick. They need to be at least 58 centimetres and, of course, a maximum of 1.2 metres. Good luck if you do wet a line. I'll be back here next Thursday night. 7 News. Have a top weekend.
Great, thanks for that, Scotty. And that's all from us for tonight. Thanks very much for your company.
And of course, we have a replay over on 7/2 coming up in a moment. Otherwise, catch you tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.